Seminis is one of the major players in broccoli in the region. Compared to our competition, the thing that we really bring is innovation. We've got products that no one else has had the foresight to produce.
We recognize the need for growers to have varieties that could be mechanically harvested in the future. So this was very forward thinking. No one else was working in a raised head broccoli, but we started to incorporate that into our program. We introduced our first varieties last year, and now we have a complete portfolio behind that to provide us with year-round varieties for both the desert Southwest and the coastal California production areas.
Just the past few years, labor has become a huge issue in California. There's just not enough labor to harvest the crops. So now people are taking a closer look at our raised head broccoli and have decided that yes, this is something they need. We're trialing a new raised head variety in harvest passes with the grower, and they did notice that it did have very good yield and that the workers really liked it because it was easier for them. They could harvest the crop faster. So it's been working out really well so far.
Raised head broccoli is a good example of how you need to go collaborative. We've got the genetic, but that's one part of the solution. We've also been working very much with the machinery companies, exposing them to what broccoli is going to look like in the future, so a different plant type to what it is today. So they've got some understanding of what the machinery or the technical things are needed to go forward.
So I think we really have led the way in terms of innovation. One of the things we hear about throughout the region is the effect that the changing weather is having on quality and the difficulty of maintaining quality year-round for the retailers. And so our breeders are working really hard to develop varieties that have great adaptability. If you have a hot period where normally you would expect cooler weather, you can maintain that same quality throughout the whole season.
Working for Seminis is awesome because the sky's the limit as far as what we can do. We have a lot of resources in our hands, a lot of people in our R&D department, which is really awesome to be able to use all that and bring the highest quality product for our customer.